It is not a question of what is practical today, but what is in principle practical. The great physicist Richard Feynman said this in his talk about nanotechnology, or the science of manipulating matter at close to a billionth of a meter. The emerging field of DNA nanotechnology is a testament to that wisdom, as it is allowing us to tackle a wide range of today's problems, including cancer.
You may ask yourself, why DNA? By itself, DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a double-stranded molecule bound down the middle by 4 nitrogenous bases. Right now, it isn't very useful for creating machines. The key insight is that if we broke DNA into 2 strands, the 2 strands will naturally want to reform the double-stranded molecule. We have used this phenomenon to come up with a variety of ways of building with DNA. One of those ways, affectionately known as DNA origami, involves small pieces of DNA called DNA staples that are capable of binding to specific regions along a single long strand of DNA. This results in the strand folding around the staple. Repeating this process at other locations results in a complex folded structure, sort of like how folding a piece of paper at specific places results in a paper origami design. Another method is similar to DNA origami, except we don't need a long DNA strand. Instead, smaller DNA strands are designed with regions called domains, with each domain being able to bind only to a specific domain on another strand. This causes them to act like puzzle pieces, with each side representing a unique domain. What's even cooler is that by simply shifting the location of the domain regions, you can cause the bricks to stack, not unlike a Jenga tower, except you can't just put the bricks wherever you want. To create detailed structures, simply make sure certain bricks do not end up in the final structure.
Scientists combine these and countless other methods to create nanorobots that can perform incredibly diverse tasks.
For example, researchers at the University of Arizona created a nanorobot containing blood-clotting enzymes called thrombin. The nanorobot hones in on tumors using special tumor-targeting DNA that can detect proteins only made by cancer cells. Once near them, the nanorobot opens to expose thrombin, which quickly forms a blood clot that blocks nutrients from reaching the tumor, killing it. This approach has already shown promising results, and with further development, this could become a new, highly effective approach to treating cancer.
DNA nanotechnology is simply another way of creating really small machines. It combines the work of many before it into something that can change the world and save millions of lives. But this is not the end. Feynman knew this. What is practical today is not even close to what is possible, but with enough work, anything is. Thanks for watching.